1 Victor November, your number 2, falling Cessna now, mile final, runway 21, clear to land.
Runway 21, clear to land, computer distance.
Aviator next 69, go round. Aviator 47, start to climb, go around. Number 1 Alpha Juliet, start to climb, go around, I'll call your crosswind turn. Aviator 69, just fly straight out.
Flying straight out, Aviator 69.
Clear track 180, fly eastbound, please, exit the airspace.
Fly eastbound, exit airspace, clear track 180.
Big Type 751, maintain pattern out, or I'm sorry, just maintain your altitude and enter a right base, expect to go around, we just had an emergency. November 1 Victor November, Scottsdale Tower, you up, still on me. November 1 Victor November, Scottsdale Tower, you on me. Aviator 69, expected to depart the field eastbound, start that turn.
Eastbound, Aviator 69.
Aviator 47, follow company ahead, follow them eastbound, start a turn eastbound.
Eastbound, following that traffic, Aviator 47.
1 Alpha Juliet, just fly runway heading. 1 Alpha Juliet, maintain IFR at 5,000 at the departure end, turn right heading 285. November 1 Alpha Juliet, Scottsdale Tower. November 1 Alpha Juliet, Scottsdale Tower. November 1 Alpha Juliet at the departure end, start a right turn to a 285, maintain 5,000.
5,000, 285.
1 Alpha Juliet, contact Phoenix departure. Big Stripe 751, maintain 5,000, overfly the runway, you can expect a heading shortly.
5,000 will overfly the runway, Big Stripe 751.
Aviator 47, and you have company ahead in sight?
We have them in sight, we're following.
Aviator 47, your frequency change is approved. If you want to call Falcon, that's fine. Expect about, it's going to be a while.
Roger, Aviator 47, we'll call Falcon, we'll get it figured out. Thanks for the help.
Aviator 43, advise you either go to a different airport or something. It's going to be a while before we're reopened. Big Stripe 751 at the departure end, start a right turn heading 210.
At the departure end of the runway, right turn heading 210.
Number Big Stripe 751, again maintain 5,000 in the right turn, contact Phoenix departure.
Alright, we'll maintain 5,000, and just to confirm, you said heading 210.
And all my aircraft holding for the runway, just be advised the airport probably now is closed for a while. If you want to go back to parking, contact ground.